Welcome to today's nugget of mortgage knowledge. I am Sydney Wallaby, your narrator for this presentation. Today's topic is DSCR loans. Let's get started. What is a DSCR loan, and under what circumstances would I use it? DSCR stands for Debt Service Coverage Ratio. It is a loan used to finance investment property. You cannot use a DSCR loan to purchase a property that you intend to occupy. DSCR loans usually require down payments of at least 20%. Your credit score will be used by a DSCR lender to assess your creditworthiness and history of debt payback. Lenders often prefer borrowers with credit scores of at least 620. A DSCR loan does not rely on your income to qualify for the loan. You do not even need to be employed. The lender looks at the cash flow of the property versus the debt service of the property. A debt service coverage ratio is calculated by dividing the rental income of the property by the total monthly mortgage payment. So, if a rental property rents for $3,000 per month, and your mortgage payment is $2,500 per month, your debt service coverage ratio would be 3,000 divided by 2,500, or 1.20. Lenders typically like to see a debt service coverage ratio above 1. DSCR lenders typically require reserves equivalent to 6 months' worth of mortgage payments. DSCR loans are non-conventional loans and tend to have higher interest rates than a conventional loan. In summary, a DSCR loan focuses on the income-generating potential of the property, rather than solely relying on the borrower's personal financials. DSCR loans offer borrowers more flexibility in terms of underwriting criteria, making them suitable options for individuals with unique financial situations or investment goals. When seeking financing on investment property, it's crucial to consult with a qualified lender to review all options and compare current interest rates and terms. Thanks for joining us today. Remember, the more you learn about mortgage terms and products, the better informed you will be when you need to get a loan. Until next time, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated with the latest in mortgage information. Feel free to share with anyone you feel would find this video informative. This video presentation was produced by Chuck Bojoli, NMLS number 2189710.